Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into a classic name returning with fresh energy. The new 2026 Honda Shadow 750. Long admired for its smooth performance and timeless cruiser style, the Shadow line has earned a loyal following worldwide. For 2026, Honda refines this beloved machine for modern riders while staying true to its laid-back spirit. Let's explore what makes the new Shadow 750 a standout in the cruiser segment. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Shadow 750 arrives with subtle yet meaningful updates. Honda preserves the low-slung cruiser profile but sharpens the visuals with a reshaped headlamp, cleaner tank lines, and updated fenders. The chrome accents are more controlled, giving it a balanced retro-modern look. New color options and fresh alloy wheel designs help the Shadow feel more premium while keeping its classic charm intact. Performance and powertrain. Powering the 2026 Shadow is the trusted 745cc V-twin, refined for smoother throttle response and better mid-range pull. Honda pairs it with a crisp 5-speed gearbox and a tuned exhaust note that feels deeper and more responsive. The low seat height, relaxed ergonomics, and improved suspension make city cruising effortless and highway rides more comfortable. Fuel efficiency also sees a slight bump thanks to optimized engine mapping, safety, and technology. While the Shadow stays true to its simple cruiser identity, Honda adds practical tech upgrades. Riders get standard ABS, improved LED lighting, and a cleaner digital analog instrument cluster. The updated electronics offer better reliability, while the chassis tuning improves overall stability. It's still a straightforward machine, but now smarter and more refined for everyday use. Conclusion: the 2026 Honda Shadow 750 blends nostalgia with modern touches, making it a solid choice for riders who want comfort, style, and dependable performance. Whether you're cruising the boulevard or heading out on weekend rides, the new Shadow delivers classic vibes with modern confidence. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews and first looks at the machines shaping the riding world.